Y'all hear that? It's whistling. Like, well, hiya. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Jana Collection. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. As always, before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Jana Collection. It is a part of their Essential series. This is the unit by the name of CiCi. I got her in the color 1, and she does retail around $30 to $40, depending on the site that you choose to get her from. This unit does come with soft Swiss lace from ear to ear, 2 combs on the side of the part, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. I would definitely say this unit fits between big head friendly and big head associate based on how you have your hair under the unit. This unit does come with a ventilated cap, so it does stretch over the back of your dome. However, with the ventilated cap, you will have some little how you doings in the back if you don't have your hair flat. It also depends on if you wear your wig grip. Y'all know I protect my edges all the time, so more than likely I will have my wig grip under my unit, which does take a little bit of space from the cap side. So the way I have my unit on right now, I am rocking my wig grip, and I did take the adjustable straps off the unit, and it was fitting a little loose around, you know, the sides here, so I went back and put the adjustable straps back on with my wig grip, and it's fitting pretty snug on my head right now. I don't feel my temples pulsating. Okay, so we good to go so far. Y'all know my head is big every single day, so if you're a 23 gang and below, you should be good to go. Over that, you may need to go ahead and put her back. Oh, I got the bars. Now, the texture of this unit is a heat resistant fiber, so if you plan on putting any heat on this unit, do what the card says, okay? And it says 360 degrees, okay? Not 361, not 362, okay? 360. And if you have not learned nothing from my channel, you will know that Jana Collection does not play when it comes to the heat. They tell you down to the degree what you need to stay at to make sure you don't melt your units, okay? Because I have melted a couple Jana Collection wigs in my day. So to be on the safe side, I normally go a little bit under what they tell me depending on the hot tool that I'm using. So I would definitely suggest you do the same. Okay, the hair is definitely on the silky side, so if you don't like silky wigs, this may not be for you. Y'all know I like a little bit more texture in my wigs, but I wanted to try this one for me and see if I could finesse her, and yeah, I will definitely say the texture is not really my favorite, again, because it is silky, and because silky textures on synthetic wigs normally mean the density of the unit is a little bit on the thinner side. So I'm not really getting the fullness around my face the way that I want it. Now, depending on your face shape, your neck length, your shoulder width, this unit may fall a little bit differently on you. But for me, I need a little bit more volume around this area up in here. So I was a little iffy about this joint. However, you can see that I did what I needed to do, okay, to get her together. Now, this unit out the pack is the right side part, but you guys saw me switch it to the middle just because I wasn't really feeling how the right side part was looking on me. Y'all know I'm a right side girl, but that right side part wasn't really hitting for me. So I went on and shifted her to the middle and then kind of finagled my part a little bit to give me, you know, like a straight back action. Because the part does have like a little curve to it, you will need to kind of, you know, play with it a little bit to kind of get it straight to where you need it to be. You do have a little bit of space in that parting space to kind of even out the hair a little bit on both sides. But before I did that, you saw that I pulled some hair out the parting space because, you know, it was pinched like a penny. To make your wigs look natural, go ahead and pull that hair out, sis, okay? And then I tried to make the layers even on both sides. It didn't really work out the way that I wanted to. I still feel like it's a little lopsided in certain areas, but, you know, I ain't gonna keep on slicing and dicing because, you know, I'll mess up a wig real quick. Now, due to this being a jet black unit or color number 1 on a synthetic wig, the luster of this unit I feel like is very, very high. I tried to spray this joint down as much as possible with my dry shampoo, and y'all can see it's still giving off a shine that I'm not really a fan of. Now, I don't know if that's because of the color or because of the texture. Now, silky texture will give off a higher luster than, say, you know, a yucky texture or like a kinky type texture on a synthetic wig. And I actually tried to spray her down a little bit more with my dry shampoo, but I think I'm out. Oh, look at that. Y'all hear that? It's whistling. Like, I think my child done got my spray because I just bought this. How is this gone already? Let me stop blaming my kids. It's probably me. Now, I feel like the stock card gave me the look. However, when I put her on my head, especially in this color, it kind of shook me a little bit. I wasn't really prepared with what I wanted to do with this unit, but you guys see that I got her together, you know, for the most part. So this is how she's looking up close. Like I said, I did place her a little bit further behind my hairline. In the install, you saw it a little bit further back. I had some of my hair out in the front, but I felt like that was a little bit too far back. So I just moved her on up a little bit more and then, you know, did my same little process here in the front, and that was it. So nothing crazy. I don't want you guys to be like, oh, your hairline looks different. I know. It looks a little different just because I moved the unit up a little bit more because I didn't feel like I needed that much of my natural hair out. So there we go with that. Look what I did with that parting space. Look at that. Y'all, can I see the lace? Where's the lace? She's right there. That's where it stops. I did good. There is some flyaways on this joint. Okay, Cindy Lou and Bonnie are kicking up around my lip gloss. So I would definitely advise you to use your hairspray or your, what's it called? The wax stick to kind of get those under control. I did get some shedding with this unit, but no tangling. I know you guys saw me going and tease through my unit. That did cause tangling in my unit, but I wouldn't say the tangles came from the actual unit by itself, like out the pack. The tangles were more from me, you know, trying to put some body or some lift into the hair, which didn't really work. So, you know, there's that, but you know, it's cool. I mean, like, what we thinking? I mean, she do got some movement to her, okay? But just be careful because them flyaways they'll kick up quick, okay? They will kick up quick. But y'all let me know down below what you think about this one. Did we get her together? Did we not? Would you grab her? Would you not? Let me know down below, okay? But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Janet Collection for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put some direct links for this unit down below, so you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.